So as you would have just saw, my TSX headlights are broke. Car was hitting the front, so they are cracked here in the corners. So I was going to buy some brand new headlights and all that, but they're not too cheap, especially, you know, shipping, conversion rates, all that crap. So I went to a junkyard and actually found headlights out of an 04. Now these are fairly rough. You know, they're really fogged up. There's black overspray all over them, and the other headlight, this tab was broke off, which I fixed. This tab's missing, so I'm going to cut it off my old headlights and plastic weld it back on. But I'm going to be wet sanding this all down and clearing it. I did the other headlight, which is right here, but I'm going to redo it. I'll show you why, but gives you an idea. You can see how much clearer that is than that. But this one, it's got some really heavy orange peel in it, because I was kind of rushing a little bit, and it's, you know, insanely cold here. I did it when it was too cold, so the clear didn't flow out good enough and all that crap, so I gotta wait for a warmer day. But it's no big deal. I'm just gonna wet sand that down again, give that one another coat. So this one I'm gonna start with 600, then 800, then 1000, and then I clear it, and that's what I've always done, and it lasts for a few years and always looks good. So, because this one does look a lot better, just it's kind of crappy because that orange peel and that, but that's an easy fix. Starting with 600. So there it is with 600. You can still see all the orange peel in that bad headlight, so just gotta sand it a bit more and keep it going. There's the other headlight sanded with 600, so getting all the yellowing out. There's another quick few minutes. You can see just a little more of the orange peel, but a lot of it's been sanded out now at this point. Now I'm going to move to 8. There it is after 800 grit, so it's smoothing out more, and it's looking good. So now moving on to the final 1000. So lots of wet sanding, but it's not that hard to do. It just takes a little bit of time. And there's after 1000 grit. So now ready to spray some clear on it. So you can see it's a lot smoother, and this headlight as well got all the orange peel out, and looks good. Okay, I got the heater on quick, just warming it up in here. It's a little warmer today, so these are all sanded, so I'm just gonna take some rubbing alcohol and wipe the lenses down, make sure there's no fingerprints or anything, no oils, and then we can start spraying some clear. Make sure these are good. Don't want no reactions or any of that crap, so hopefully this works. So as for clear, nothing fancy. I'm just using some you know, normal duplicolor clear coat. I would like to do it out of a gun and that, but I don't have any sprayable clear right now, so that'll work fine for now. Turn the heater off before I start spraying. Don't want to blow myself up here. So this is like, you can see how foggy they are because, you know, they're sanded. And then when you do some clear, it's like magic. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So let me get a coat on. Okay, so there's the first coat done. Looking good already. Now you see spots, like that's on the inside of the lens, these little spots. So I can't do anything about that unless I cracked the lenses off, heated them up, took the lenses off and cleaned the inside or buffed it out, whatever. But I really don't want to get into that. I did that with my Civic and don't want to do that this time, so I'll just live with that. Headlights aren't cracked, that's the main thing. So you can see already, so I'll probably do another 2 or 3 coats and then should be good. So letting it warm up again and do some more coats. Well, I did 3 coats, so that is how they look. So obviously way better than before. Like I said, this stuff I can't help because that's inside the lens. Like I said, I'm not getting into splitting these ones apart, but way better. So now once it's, I guess, spraying basically, I can swap these over and fix this one tab here. That one's been fixed. Everything else is good, so this will definitely be a big improvement though. And I saved quite a bit by fixing these. This one's like damn near perfect. There's nothing on the inside or anything, but I can live with that one for how much I saved. So I'm not worried about that. So yeah, now once spring comes, I can get these on and start doing a few other little things to the car.